Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. Today I have a really exciting video. I am going to be testing out this bad boy right here. I'm going to be testing out the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I've heard a lot about this, definitely mixed reviews. I mean, some say they like it, some say they don't. I've been wanting to try it out for myself for the longest time, and I finally got it. I know usually with these videos you kind of start off your intro with the finished look, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to kind of do this with you guys in real time. Well, not in real time because some things are going to be sped up because no matter what I'm using, it's going to take some time to dry my hair. But yeah, I just kind of want to show you guys what time I start, what time it takes me to finish, talk to you guys a little bit about hair prep, and everything like that. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how this works, keep watching. I'm so excited to be trying this. I didn't use it yet, but I did open it just to make sure everything was inside, but I haven't used it yet. Just a little backstory on this. I mean, this has been out for like, I don't know what, maybe a year or so. Definitely a while, not a long time, but a while. When it first came out, I really wanted to try it, but I don't know, just something kept telling me, nah, it's probably not going to work for you. Like, why waste your money? The past month or so, I've just been like, man, I really want to get it. Like, but I don't know if it's going to work for my hair. I don't want to buy it, and then it's really serving me no purpose. You know, for me, I hate like wasting money on something that I'm not going to use. I've been like watching so many videos on it, and yeah, like I said, it's definitely mixed reviews. Like, either people love it or they hate it, honestly. But mainly for me, I try to watch videos of girls with textured hair, which is not that many out there, but there is quite a few. Obviously, I don't know if this is going to completely like have my hair like silky smooth, but I think it's definitely going to be easier for drying. I don't know, we'll see. The person that kind of really like made me ultimately decide to get it was Irene Sarah. She's like one of my favorite OG YouTubers. She used to be, years ago when I started watching her YouTube channel actually used to be, I think, Geek Chic, but now she goes by her name, Irene Sarah. I love her. When I saw that she posted that she uses it and she loves it, I was like, all right, perfect. Because her hair is like super thick. I think it's a little on the frizzy side, just like thick, heavy hair. So I was like, all right, if it works for her and it, you know, smooths out her hair beautifully, it has to do something for mine. Yeah, shout out to her. She's the one who made me decide to get this. I purchased this from Ulta actually right now, and I don't know how long the sale is going to be going for. This is originally $59.99, I believe, and it's on sale right now for $47. Before we get into actually using the tool, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about hair prep. Hair prep is very important. Hair prep is what's going to have your hair looking beautiful and healthy and strong. Let me start off with what I use to shampoo and condition my hair. I actually purchased this when I purchased the Revlon dryer. This is the Maui Moisture Detoxifying plus Volcanic Ash Shampoo and Conditioner for dull and congested hair. I wanted to try this out, well, mainly because I've never seen this one before, and also when I saw it said for dull congested hair, like, I feel like a lot of times my hair is definitely on the dull side, and I feel like I kind of have like just built-in product that a lot of shampoos and conditioners don't really get out. So I definitely wanted to try that and see what a difference it makes on my hair. The next thing I'm going to use, I don't want to weigh down my hair too much with anything, so I'm just going to use two products. I'm going to spray this in my hair. I always use this, the Chi Iron Guard, to protect from heat damage. It's empty, I need to get another one. Next thing I'm going to use the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to take this much. It's an oil, so you don't want to take too much, but you want to take enough to really saturate your hair. So what I do is I start off mainly on my ends and the middle, and then whatever's left in my hands, work through the top. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big, and I love that. That's another thing that I was drawn to it, because if it was smaller, honestly, I probably wouldn't even get it. I feel like one of the things that people love about this is it's supposed to make styling your hair easier. So if it was smaller, I think I probably wouldn't even think twice about it, but I love the fact that it's nice and big. Now I'm just going to section off my hair. I guess I'm going to do it ear to ear since the brush is so big. I don't think I'll have to take such small sections, but we'll see. Took that much. Should be good. spray a little bit more of the heat protectant. There's nothing in here. And before you do each section, just give it a quick brush through. Because you don't want to do anything like flat iron, curling, anything, blow drying. You don't want to do anything with tangles in your hair. I feel like in order to show you guys in kind of real time how this is going to work, I'm not going to talk through the video. I'm going to speed it through. I might still be talking and then kind of add it on the side, if that makes sense. If there's anything like, I don't know, anything I'm noticing, any kind of tips or anything like that. But I feel like it's best if I show you guys kind of how long it really takes me. So it's it's 10 o'clock on the dot right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just straighten my hair all the way through and really show you guys how long it takes me to do it. Before I start, so it has 3 settings: cool, low, and high. If you guys can see, obviously I'm gonna be using high.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I'm really impressed so far. Like, I thought it was gonna be hard to dry my roots, but yeah, I honestly thought it was gonna leave my hair frizzy. I'm gonna show you guys the kind of flip I did. I'm impressed so far.
Around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
One thing I would say, I was struggling a lot to get my roots straight. Feels a little wavy at the top, but the ends look beautiful.
Around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You
guys, so this is the finished look. Like I said, I want to show you guys in kind of real time. So it was 10 o'clock when I started. It is now 10:26. So that's pretty amazing. Very rarely do I blow dry my hair just because it takes me so long. Shortest I think it's ever taken for me to blow dry my hair is like 45 minutes. And that's like if I do it all straight through. Usually when I blow dry my hair, I'll do like half of it. And then I'll just be so like tired and my hands will be hurting, and then I'll stop, I'll take a break, and then I'll start again, which usually takes me like 2 hours. But if I do it all straight through, it takes me like 45 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So you can see, I mean, my roots do feel a little poofy. But I'm not mad about that, honestly, because when I blow dry my hair, I usually flat iron my roots, just because blow drying, for my texture, blow drying alone is not going to cut it. I don't care what blow dryer you use. My hair, my frizzy hair, blow drying alone is not enough for it to last all day. I need a flat iron in my roots at least. Like my ends will be okay, but I need a flat iron in my roots so that it won't frizz up again. I love the flip that it gave to my ends. You can see I definitely have a lot of volume in my roots, which I don't mind. Usually like I flat iron it down, but I don't mind it. Yeah, 26 minutes compared to when it usually takes me like almost an hour plus. This is definitely a keeper. The only things I would say, like it definitely didn't smooth out my roots like at all, and I feel like sometimes I was kind of going over my roots too much. Because I was like, why is it not straightening out? And then the only thing, since it is so big, it was kind of hard. Like I was trying to do like this and then kind of twist it out, but it's kind of hard since it's so big. So I kind of had to use two hands and kind of slide it out. But again, I still like that it's so big because I got to take bigger sections at a time. I would definitely recommend this. Again, it is not gonna get your hair super straight. If you have any kind of texture, frizziness, curliness, anything, you probably are gonna have to touch up with a flat iron afterwards. But I feel like that's not really a con because I have to do that anyway. The fact that I was able to dry my hair in 26 minutes, that's crazy. And honestly, I probably would have done it faster, but I was kind of talking to you guys in between. So I think I could even get it down to 15 to 20 minutes. I really think so. I'm going to try that one day and let you guys know. If you guys want to hear an update of that, comment down below. It is on sale right now at Ulta for $47.99, I believe. And then on top of that, if you sign up for the Ulta Rewards, you can get an additional 20% off, which brings it down to, I think I have the receipt actually. I'm going to show you guys the Revlon one-step dryer. $37, originally $59.99. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if there's any other beauty tools or anything you want me to test out. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.